Let us illustrate how to find the equation of the tangent plane by the following exercise. Consider the function fxy is equal to x divided by y. And we have the fixed point, x is 3, y is 1. So the equation of the tangent plane is z minus z0 is the derivative of f with respect to x at the point x0, y0 times x minus x0 plus the derivative of f with respect to y at the point of tangent sig x0, y0 times y minus y0. So first we need z0, which is the function value. In this case, this is x divided by y, 3 divided by 1 is 3. Then we need the partial derivatives. So the partial derivative of f with respect to x is 1 over y. So the partial derivative of f with respect to x at the point 3, 1 is 1 over 1, which is 1. And similarly, the partial derivative of f with respect to y, when x is constant, then we have minus fraction x divided by y squared. So the derivative at the point 3, 1 is minus 3. Well, and at this point we have all we need, and we can write the equation of the tangent plane, namely z minus 3 is equal to 1 times x minus 3 minus 3 times y minus 1. And that's all. If you like, we can simplify this a little. We can add 3 to arrive at z is x minus 3y plus 3. So this is the equation of the tangent plane to the graph of this function at this point.